Hi guys, in this video I'll go over how to set everything up in your brand new System.io account. I'm already logged in one of my test accounts, and we are presented with a dashboard. This is always the first thing that you see whenever you log into your System.io account. On the dashboard, we're going below the image here to settings. Here on the left hand side you'll see lots of tabs. We are presented here with the first one, and basically this first one, this is where you can change your profile name, insert your first and last name, the country you're from, city, address, postal code, province, phone number, and here you can also decide what type of account do you have, basically if you're doing as an individual or as a company. Okay. The second important thing is go to account. Here is basically your time zone, where you can change your preferred time zone wherever you are in the world. Time zone, date format, and time format. Next up you have the My Plan tab. We are here on the free plan. You have the ability to upgrade your plan, but we go over this in next videos. Then next up we have Payment Gateway, where you can connect at least, you should connect at least a PayPal account in order to get paid for any products you may want to sell. Here we have Manage My Subscription, emails. Here up to now we have nothing connected to it, so don't bother about these other things. As I said before, most too important when setting things up is your profile and the time zone. That's for today. Bye.